back. We are back. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below. So today we'll be getting into a wig from Victoria's Wig, guys. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm a little nervous about this wig because it's like way out of my comfort zone, but I'm really gonna work my hardest to make this wig look great on me. So this is what their box is looking like, you guys. It's this really pretty white box with their detailing on the front in Victoria's Wig, obviously. So once you officially open the package, you guys, dang, let me open the package. You get a package of goodies, as you guys can see here, and you get your wig in this adorable little bag. I love the fact that it has tassels, y'all. Like, look at that detailing. Look at that detailing, okay? You get this adorable little bag. It says, because you matter, because you do. And then you get a pamphlet, of course. So in your goodie bag, they give you 2 wig caps. They give you an edge brush. They give you a nice little rat tail comb, y'all. And they also give you a makeup brush, this is the first I've ever seen in a wig box. And of course you get this adorable little mesh bag to keep it all in or do whatever you want. Oh my gosh, they give you some tweezers. So here is the wig, y'all. I've already opened this, so there was extra packaging on the wig, but I already took that off because I thought it just wasn't really that important. And here she is, honey. Here she is. Okay, I've been combing my fingers through her, so excuse her looking a little puffy at the top, but we're gonna fix that with some water and some styling here in a second. So this is their Angel Glueless 13x4 lace fronts, short curly pixie cut wig. So I'm really hoping it's glueless, y'all, because it being glueless is something that I really want to test out. I really want to see if I can actually have like a short wig that's just a throw-on wig. And she's really short. Like, I'm pretty sure she's 8 inches, y'all. Pretty sure. So let's get into this wig construction. This is her hairline. As you guys can see, the knots are not bleached, but the wig is pre-plucked. You guys can see that the wig is pre-plucked. There is that lace front, as y'all can see, from ear to ear, and there's also lace in the back right here. So inside of the wig, they have these amazing combs, which like look super high quality, and you get 4 combs. In the wig, there's also an adjustable strap, and it's like one of those bra, I call them bra straps, but they're like hook straps, you know, so you can adjust it towards your head, which will really aid in the process of this wig being glueless. You also have 2 adjustable straps back here. I'm holding them. So as y'all can see in the back, y'all can see more of the curls that I haven't really combed through, but this wig is hefty. But we're really gonna get into this and see how this will turn out. So the lace on this wig, she's a little lighter than my skin tone, or she's blending in. We're gonna see once we use some Got2b, because usually like you'll be able to see if the lace melts with Got2b. Also, I want y'all to recognize the knots on this wig don't look like too crazy big, so if you wanted to go in there and bleach them, you definitely could. I'm not going to bleach them today. I'm really just going to apply some makeup into it as much as I can as possible to really cover those knots. I forgot to mention that this wig is 150 density. They do have express shipping and PayPal on their website, and if there's any information that I'm missing, you guys will definitely be able to find the link in the description box below and check that out. So let's get into this video and put this wig on my head, y'all. I'm really nervous, but we're gonna try to make it do what it do. We're gonna try to make it bibbidi bobbidi boo, because that's what I gotta do. So let's put her on, okay?
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
But you gotta stop looking on the negative side of things, okay? She's cute. Look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. Okay? Yes, it just looked like I got electrocuted, but we gonna work with it, you feel me? Trust and believe. I gotta stop telling these people I'm a medium-sized cat. I gotta just stop straight up lying. I just be lying. Anyways, we're gonna focus on gluing her down first, and then we're gonna style. I'm super interested in trying out a wave or even just flat ironing her and seeing what she's looking like. I'm gonna flat iron her and see what she looks like, okay? I don't know. I just feel like her flat iron will be freaking fire. it will be fire. So let's focus on, first I'm gonna glue this wig down, y'all, and then we're gonna get into styling and such. Okay guys, now that we got our wig on and poppin', let's get to styling her. I think she is best fit for like a side part. So that's what we're gonna focus on. But I think we're gonna do like a deep side part maybe. Y'all, I wanna flat iron her so badly just to see how she looks. I'm gonna flat iron a piece to see how she looks. Nothing. So if you flat iron her, she does give you some flat, you feel me? Oh, she gives me flat. I think I'm gonna flat iron her, y'all. So I think I'm gonna flat iron her. Come right back. Okay, y'all, so I most definitely lied. I don't feel like flat ironing her. So I got my little spray bottle. I got my little dimming brush and some conditioner, and we gonna make it work from there, y'all. I'm gonna spray her up, but just to show y'all that she does flat iron pretty well. This is so fun. This is really an experience. Y'all get to see how well she flat irons, if she curls back up. Ooh, girl, she better curl back up. Cause I gotta go somewhere. This wig cannot be playing with me. So this is the conditioner I'm going to be using. It's just some Suave conditioner. I just have this much. And I'm going to comb it through my hair. Oh, this is so cute, y'all. This is so cute. Next, I'm going to take my flat iron and just lay the hairs down. Ouch. So, to hold this wet look, you guys could use some wrapping foam and like... Did y'all just see that? This eyelash does not want to stay on today, so I'll definitely apply it at the end of the look. But to hold this look together, you guys, I'm going to use some Super Hold Spritz. And just comb through the areas that I put the spritz. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna speed the rest of this video up and finish laying my edges, and I'm gonna come back to y'all in the end. If y'all have made it this far, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you guys have any comments about how this wig looks on me, because I'm feeling way out of my comfort zone, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Like I said, if y'all are liking this wig, it will be in the description box below, as well as my coupon code, so make sure you use that, you guys. I'll speed this part up right now, and I'll be back with y'all in the end. Okay, this is the finished look, you guys. Look at this pixie cut. Look at this pixie cut, girl. Girl, I was like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was so out of my comfort zone when I was doing this. I was like, it's gonna look horrible. I'm gonna look like a granny. Like, this is not cute. But no, this is way out of my comfort zone. I'm so glad I did it. I do not regret it at all. So far, so amazing. The only complaint about this wig that I do have is that the hair in the back is so, it's not as work withable as like the hair in the front, but obviously like in a pixie cut, the hair in the front is going to be longer than the hair in the back in any pixie cut whatsoever. But these hairs are like tightly curled, honey. But other than that, like once I styled it to my face, like now she just looks effortless and she looks so cute. And I went in and did some edges, y'all. I'm so proud of my edges. Oh, look at it. Wow. Shout out to Victoria's wig. It just started raining again, so I hope y'all don't hear the rain in the background. If you guys want the link to this wig, it will be in the description box below. Make sure you use my code when you're purchasing. But Victoria's wig came through, boo. So you should too, boo. Okay. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up on the way out. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you comment below and turn on my notifications. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers or watchers of my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, and thanks for watching.